Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. Congratulations on completing 24 football lessons and reaching this final one. Go back and watch any videos you may have missed, and practice well so you can hone your football skills.
Hi guys, good evening. This is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to final episode of our series, the cooling down and recovery, which is very important part of development of training, and which is very much ignored also, because we just come like warm up, we come and want to play football, and once we finish we just want to rush back. So it will not help you to become better player, as recovery and cooling down is very important part of the training, that you have to take proper diet, rest, and massage, ice bath, and you can take the help of heart rate monitor also. That will guide you in episode. So we'll start with slow jogging. We have completed the training just now, we finish. So you can start, you can step out your bandages, shin pad, everything to get it completely relaxed if you want to do. Otherwise you can do in jogging 5 to 10 minutes slow jogging and movements in a group to recover, because your pulse rate go high or you involve in high intensity exercise, so you have to calm down. That is very important. So in next day when you for a training or for a match, you will be recover and you come with the fresh legs. Otherwise you will go home with tired legs. So you will train but you will not improve. So we'll let you know. Come on guys. So in a group start jogging. Slow jog, yes. Come on, Uday to lead. Yes, very nice. So you can see that you can go for slow jog and cooling down all the movements. You can do hand movements, knee up, back heel or off. So get more relaxed slowly. Go slowly, no need to rush. Very slow. So it will be definitely you make you cool down, and you form the lactic acid with high intensity activities. You have to flush out. So after that you can take hot and cold shower immediately, and then you can take good diet, carbohydrate diet at least 300 to 400 calories within immediately, and after that also within 2 hours you have to another 300 to 400 high carbohydrate diet, which help you to recover faster. And then after that you can take ice bath or hot and cold shower. It will make next day you can take massage or sauna, and you can take the help of heart rate monitor also. I have seen many teams do that nowadays. They check the intensity with their heart rate. So in the morning time when you get up, you can take your resting heart rate is called. So if it go downward, it means your body is recovered and your fitness level improving. But if it shows high, so it means you are not recovered or your fitness level is still need to be improved. So your body is not fully recovered. So you have to take rest more and diet, and then once you are fresh, then you should train and play match. Otherwise what happens, then injuries happen. Then you get muscle pull or adductors or knee injury or ankle injury. So you can see that many professional teams in abroad, and you can see that many top players, they take care very well about their recovery part, and that's why they have to play. Otherwise you will get injured because of not focus on your recovery part, and you will get injury, and then you have to sit out, and then it's not good for you as a professional player or for the team also as well. So okay guys, you can sit down. So after jog they can do like flexibility exercise. Don't do the more stretching, because playing a match and training you always damage the muscles. If you stretch more, it will damage more, so it will take more time for recovery. So that's also very important part. So we'll show them. So all cooling down exercises. Okay, come on, start. Yes, very nice. Shake your leg, very nice. Good. Very good.
Change. Change.
Very relaxed movement. Don't give over stretch. It will damage your muscles. So go very easy and relax and keep your body very much relaxed. Yes, very nice. Now go back. This one is the last. So go back, your legs behind, yes, and try to hold. Hold for a moment. Hold for a moment. So try, it will increase your flexibility also, very, very important. Keep your leg, hands, yes, down, hands down. Yes, that's way, very nice. And come back. So don't hold for too long. You can go back again. Do 2-3 times. Come on, go back again. Yes. And don't go for too long hold and then come back. Yeah. So now front, lie down as a front facing. Lie down front facing, yes. And now like Cobra or Bhujangasana, yes, and hold. It will relax your back portion, back muscles, which is also very, very important. Get when you do high intensity exercise, it get lot of load on your back. Okay, relax. Yes, relax. And again, yes. Again you can do it, yes. Okay, relax. Now you can go legs up because your blood has come down. So you have to do this exercise to blood will come on your chest and you will feel complete relax. So go up and hold. Take the support of your back.
Change.
Yes, very nice. Very nice.
Change.
Yes, yeah, very good. Stretch. You can shake also. Shake leg. Take the support on the back. Take the back support. Yes.
Change.
Very good, Sultan. Yes.
Change.
And now lie down. Lie down, eyes closed and complete relax. So this is all about cooling down. So guys, hope you like and enjoyed and learn these videos. So keep watching. It definitely help you to become better player when you watch again and again and then practice again and again. It definitely make you everyday better player in all aspect of the game. And as I told you, I have opened a school, Santosh Kashyap Soccer School in Mumbai, and have designed the program for the soccer players, those wants to become professional player, those wants to become professional player. I want them to play and learn under me and become a successful professional player, and we can become a strong football playing nation. So please join, and you will get all the details in my Instagram page of Santosh Kashyap Soccer School and Facebook as well. So this is our objective of this making this video series with Gilles Academy, and please do like and share this video to many of your friends and family members, and please subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important, so we can spread this knowledge to everyone, and maximum players will get benefited from this series. So this is all from my side. Yeah guys, get up and get up. Come close. And big thank you to all of you. Big hand for yourself. Hope you will learn and definitely keep practicing more like others. And I'm sure you have a talent to become a professional player. All have good skill, football sense, but you have to keep practicing and take care of your diet and rest. Whatever we taught you, just try to follow, and you will see the difference. With every day you will improve and become better players. So thank you very much from my side, and thank you very much for DLS Academy. Goodbye for now.